Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Before we get into this video, I like to give a whoop whoop to Praise Dora. You were the first to comment on one of my videos, so girl, I see you see me, so I want people to see you, so whoop whoop to you. So you guys, today's video is going to be real talk, real honest talk on how to grow your hair, period. How to grow your hair, and how to grow your hair in a protective style like natural mini braids. So if you're interested in this video, then keep watching. Now you guys, I am not gonna ramble. I'm not gonna be very long with this video because I really believe that I've said this before in my videos, but I like to just be very transparent and very honest with you guys on how to actually grow your hair. Since I've gotten more subscribers and more people to my channel, I like to just reiterate and let you guys know straight out that there is no product that will grow your hair. Your hair grows by itself. Every day your hair grows. What is the secret of seeing that growth? Is length retention. So with length retention, you have to ask yourself, is your hair breaking off faster than what your hair is growing naturally out of your scalp? If you're breaking your hair off, then you're not going to see your length and you're going to feel like your hair is not growing. I had the same problem. You guys, I've been natural for 11 years now. I know what I can do to my hair. I know what I can't do to my hair. I know what keeps my hair on my head, and I know what breaks my hair off. So I stay away from the crap that will break off my hair, and I do what's good for my hair that works for me. I do what's good for my hair and my hair only, and then that's what I share and show you guys. But the way to see your growth is length retention. The way that you keep your length on your hair, you have to figure out is if your hair is a protective style type of girl, if your hair don't like certain chemically products, or if your hair is more of a DIY type of girl. I had to figure out for myself that my hair likes protective styles and my hair is mainly a DIY type of girl. You have to figure out what works for your hair. So with products not growing your hair, I'm going to clarify and clear that up for you guys. The product don't grow your hair because your hair grows out of your head already. Naturally, your hair grows. But what the product does is help you retain that length. So when you see products or even YouTube videos, and I have to put my YouTube videos out here that says daily growth leave-in conditioner, it's because no one will click on my video if they don't see growth in the title of the video. Like even when you go to the grocery stores, you see things that say growth on the bottle just for you to pick them up because it's making you feel as though this is going to grow your hair, but your hair is growing already. What I want you to see when I put in my videos of growth or whatever, if it says growth in front of it, what I'm showing you is a really great product that will keep your length retention. But if I put length retention, it won't get that many clicks on YouTube, and now I have to start making my thumbnails and my titles more grabbing, and the more grabbing thing is to say growth in your videos. But I like I said, I like to come on here and be 100% transparent. There is no product that will grow your hair. Nobody is going to have hair down their butt or their booty crack or hair like Rapunzel from one product. Your product literally helps you keep your length retention. So if you're using the correct product and your hair is moisturized, is hydrated from the product that you choose to use, then you will probably start seeing growth because your hair is holding the length that is growing out of your scalp. Like your hair is not breaking off and you're able to see that growth. So Just because a product has growth on it doesn't mean that that product is necessarily growing your hair. It's just helping keeping your hair moisturized. And if you have a great hair routine of retaining the length, then you're going to see growth hands down no matter what. But stores, people on YouTube like me, they know that customers is going to gravitate to anything that says growth, especially if you're trying to grow your hair. And I'm just here to be 100% transparent. The way that I grew my hair, I'm going to insert pictures. The way that I honestly grew my hair was with protective styling. And then I don't experiment with a whole bunch of crazy frozen hairstyles or a lot of wigs. I've never worn a wig, actually. I'm not opposed to wearing wigs, but if I do wear them, I'm going to be very smart about it. I'm going to make sure that I don't have a leave out. I'm going to make sure that I'm not manipulating my leave out. If I chose to wear a wig, I'm not going to abuse the part of my hair that's still out. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you literally just have to figure out what works for you, what works for your hair. Don't think that any one product is going to give you that magic pill. It's almost like a weight loss pill. Like, yeah, the weight loss pill, no, that's not a good example. Scratch that. Because weight loss pills do make you lose weight, but you gain that crap right back once you stop taking them pills, and you gain like a whole bunch more back. But nevertheless, I grew my hair with protective styling, making sure that my hair is thoroughly moisturized and making sure that I spray my hair with water every morning and at night. Am I excellent at spraying my hair every morning and every night? No, but do I make sure that I do it at least 4 times out of the week? Yes. Before, when I started growing my hair, I was not a weekly washer. Now I am most definitely a weekly washer. Now that I have my son, my scalp has changed, my hair has changed, and I need to wash my hair weekly and not wash my hair every month and a half. But like I said, I think that just comes with your body changing, getting older, and taking care of your hair and knowing what your hair wants and knowing what your hair don't want. If your hair dries out really fast, water may work if you're washing your hair. I don't wash my hair with shampoo every week, but if I wash my hair with shampoo one week, then I will use an apple cider vinegar or a co-wash the next week, so that I'm not just stripping all the oils out of my hair and making sure that I'm not drying my hair out from washing it every week. But my scalp needs to be refreshed every week now that I've had my son. So knowing what works for your hair, knowing what your hair do and don't like, is the key. And like I said, I really just wanted to come on here and be really transparent. Being a YouTuber, most YouTubers don't tell you these things, but to get people to click on your videos, like, I know I have great value. Like, I can try to find a couple of testimonies and put them up on the screen of people following my advice and their hair actually reaching the goals that they wanted. But I had to change up my titles and stuff to say growth in there. And for the new people that has clicked on my videos, I don't want y'all to think, oh my God, she's making banana and avocados and this is going to grow my hair in a month. No, your hair is not going to grow in a month. It's not going to grow 4 inches in a month. I have been consistently and consecutively doing these home remedies, these DIYs. I've learned how to retain my length. So I'm showing you what I've been doing over a course of 11 years to grow my hair. And I don't want to mislead anybody, but if you do these bananas and avocados and your hair likes it, your hair feels moisturized, then you're going to retain your length, especially if you're doing a protective style or a style that your hair agrees with and is not too much tension. You're going to see growth over time with using the banana hair mask or the mayo hair mask, or if your hair don't like a hard protein treatment, using egg or doing something that your hair absolutely loves for you to retain your length. So when I do DIYs and it says growth, know that that product is not going to just grow your hair in a month. You're not going to grow 4 inches in a month. This product or these DIYs that I'm showing you is only going to help you retain your length and make sure your hair is moisturized for you to have maximum length retention and maximum growth, maximum length retention, and making sure when your hair grows that you're keeping that length. So that's pretty much what products are here for, is to assist the dryness and to assist with keeping your hair moisturized so that your hair that's growing out of your scalp naturally will stay on your head. So I really hope this video helps. I really hope that if you guys are consistent, you're gonna reach your goals. Also, you guys, so I really hope that it helps, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.